Well, here we're looking on a weekly for Endeavor Silver, and I wanted to kind of just go over what we're seeing here. That we're really seeing this, and it could be just going through this deeper two-wave corrective move from a one move here. If we look at the prior history here, we had a very nice bullish move. Now it makes sense with gold because gold has been doing the same thing. We see the big correction, the two wave, the three, the last gasp here. This could be our one wave, and eventually, yeah, you could be looking at the three wave. This is a deep corrective move, but they can make those. You could see what it's indicative of the other one that it did there, and you saw a very nice initial move. Now, and in here you can clearly see this one wave, two, and then three, and then you see the subwaves in it, so it makes sense. Here you also are seeing kind of, like corrective nature type of scenarios, but you did have a pretty good breakdown here that, 'cause somebody could say, well, almost looks impulsive. It does. But, if we are truly seeing the two wave, we could be ready for a bigger move up. Now, a lot of times you could see a more complex wave. In other words, it starts to do a three wave, comes and does an ABC, and then does another three, five wave down. So it's a five down, three up, and then five down, and that could happen. But if it can really hold these ranges, we could really start to see a potential nice move. Now, I'm thinking that with gold, we're not quite there, but we could see it starting to happen, especially with silver. Now, you could see also it's trying to hold this 23% line, and it's trying to come back up. We really need to see this start to kind of break through this longer range, and we'll have to see this get over some of these important levels. And I'm thinking around this 275 range is going to be very significant, and we'll have to watch very carefully. So far, it still seems a little bit sluggish to me. When we move it to the daily, you could see what I mean here. We're seeing it improve here on the oscillator here, but it seems like it's struggling just a little bit at this 225 level. So we have to watch for any pullback and see that it can try to get up and over this three level.